Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new OnePlus earbuds. As you can see in front of us we have the brand new earbuds, also the OnePlus Nord. In the package we have here easy to use, sound quality, environment cancellation noise, and we have some information here in the back as well. Like we have the name, the model, and all kinds of stuff. So let's go ahead and start to unbox it. We have this protection package. In the new OnePlus earbuds we have 30 hours of battery life, environmental noise cancelling, powerful bass boost, and low latency mode. So when you fully charge them you can listen to the music or whatever for 7 hours. With the case it will boost the battery for 30 hours, so you can charge plenty of times these earbuds. Charging the case for 10 minutes, it will charge enough to listen for 10 hours. With double tap you can change the next track, previous track, wake up voice assistants, and play or pause. If you press 3 for 3 seconds, you can switch the device. Press for 5 seconds when you receive a call. Underneath in the box we have this little box, set your music tree it says. We have to pull it out. Like usual we have some papers and also we have the charger. You can see the papers. We have the Type-C little charger here. We have to mention that these earbuds support warp charge, so you can charge them with your OnePlus charger. So these are the new earbuds from OnePlus. Let's go ahead and pair them with the new OnePlus Nord and see how they will work. In the Bluetooth, when you go ahead and open it, immediately when you pop up the cap of the buds, it will show up in square. Just with one tap you can connect them with your phone. Also it shows you plenty of information such as the left side battery, the right side, also the bank as well. So now that are connected, let's go ahead and put them on. They feel very snug. I'm used to earphones or earbuds with plastic or rubber pieces, but these are just fine. Let's go ahead and play something in the YouTube, see how they will work. This is the first song that comes up. Okay, we have some good sound. Let's turn this up, all the way up, so we can see, we can hear it, how they work. Actually the sound is very clear and the bass is right there when you need it. The sound is very good. Let's go to the middle. For real, these earphones from OnePlus are very good. So you notice when you pull them out of your ear, it will pause the video, and when you put it back it will play it again, which is a very good feature. Double tap, you will change the song or the video. You can see how it changes. As you can see now it's on or playing. When you pull it out it pauses, and when you put it back in your ear it plays again the video. And I found this feature very helpful and interesting. So guys, this was all for today's video. This was the OnePlus earbuds. If you find this video interesting or helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smartwatch or smart stuff.